Kanya naman. Okay. Okay, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay? Wow. At ang IS triple! Mr. Doc Melo! 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay? Okay, punta na tayo sa ating mga major prizes. At ang ating third runner-up, it's a tie! 316 between Arnel and B! Arnel and B! 3 balls ko ito. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Yay! Okay!
Kasi pagulat ah. Meron pa isip ko ah.